Let me know, guys, if you're able to see my screen. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the PPT. Today I'm going to go through that. What is the Microsoft Dynamics? It's technical demo. Okay. Uh, Before going to the demo, I would like to introduce myself. Okay. This actually the entire course curriculum I'm going to deliver next 45 hours. Okay. This is your trainer. Myself, Amar. I have 13 years of IT experience. Okay. I started my career with the Microsoft technologies like .NET. After moving to that, it's product. Okay. And coming to that training part, I can talk about more. As of now, I have provided the 5 corporate level of trainings. Okay, all are MNC level 5 companies, and past 6 years onwards, conducting sessions online and offline. Okay, earlier I provided the sessions on classroom training, but after Corona, it's not happening. So that delivering the sessions on online. Okay, and this is my profile, training only training profile. Yeah, and before dig into that Dynamics 365, could you please anyone have any idea what is the Dynamics 365 and why you are going to join this one? Who referred, or your friends or your brothers or anybody in to your family is working? Because of why I'm asking this question is Dynamics 365 is a very rare technology. Okay, no one knows this one. Suppose if anybody refers, then only these people is coming to the this industry. Okay, I'm giving the 1 minute of time. If you anybody wants to discuss, please discuss. Otherwise, I can continue with the meeting. Yeah. Anybody would like to talk about the Dynamics 365? Guys, this is very minimal, just because you are going to learn this course and you are going to work on this one. You are choosing this career. I hope before coming to this one, maybe you did something R&D under what is the Dynamics 365, what is this product. Anyone did any R&D? Yeah, hi Nitish. D365 F4. It's is that actually it's a old one. Now D365 F4. For past 4 years onwards, the D365 F4 is that. But coding is the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Good to know you have some experience. Then it's good. Yeah. Anyone? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You will get after completion of this PPT. You will get know all the details. Okay. Yeah. Guys, any other question? Okay, it seems to be no. Okay, I'm continuing with the demo. Guys, this is the agenda. What is Dynamics 365 F&O? What are the prerequisites? And what is the hardware configuration? What is H++ code? Career opportunities. Before going to demo, I'm giving the one clarity, guys. Okay, this is completely coding related one. Don't trust if anyone says that this is a drag and drop feature and simply, okay, that is not the case. It is completely coding one. I will let you know once when that the coding is what is the coding part. Let's see, okay, and what is the prerequisites is required. This in it. Hello, Somnath, can you go on mute? I can see your, yeah. Yes, yes, okay. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay, this is the first thing is a clear. It's a coding related one. Yeah. Everyone is clear, right? Yeah. Yes, yes, yeah. So, first, what is the Dynamics 365? First, actually, this is the history of Dynamics 365. Okay, I will provide this link. You can go through that. What is the history of Dynamics 365 and deeply, but I can cover that history where it is born and how the names are different names, AIDS, Accepta, Morphets, and these are names is there. Okay, I will tell those things. Yeah, actually, Dynamics 365 F&O is born in that Denmark, Danish company. So after that onwards, it's moving to that IBM and Microsoft, and Microsoft is added few more enhancements to that AIDS 2009, AIDS 2012 feature pack, R1, R2, R3, Rainier, A87. These all are related to our Dynamics 365 only. Currently, earlier we can call it a AH, ADSEPTA, MORPHETS. Okay, all are related to same course, guys. Don't confuse. Now it is a D365 F&O. Okay, F&O is main finance and operations. Full form is the finance and operation, SCM, supply chain management. Only Dynamics 365 also one course is there, that is comes under the CRM. Okay, Dynamics 365 Business Central BC also is there. Dynamics 365 Navision, Info, like that there. But our course is the Dynamics 365 F&O SCM, because Microsoft is build one umbrella, and under umbrella these are the courses are available. Our course is F&O. Why I am stressing and telling these things? Suppose you while working in the real time, you got one query, but while searching the Google, you need to give the D365 F&O. Suppose how to create a table on Dynamics 365 F&O. You can type it Dynamics 365, then CRM related links will come. But if you give that finance and operation, then Dynamics 365 our course related links will come. This part is clear, right? Okay, that is the actually history. Now the current version in Dynamics 365, and it's a cloud hosted. Earlier, it is hosted in the on-premises. There is a difference is the on-premises and cloud hosted. Cloud hosted means it's available into that remote. Okay, you have the internet connection and you have the username and password authenticator. Then you can able to easily connect, and you can see that your operation, the client operation or your work. But on-premises means you should be present at the front of the your mission. Okay, on premises means suppose in your house laptop or something is there, desktop. Suppose you are traveling to somewhere else, you need to send a one invoice, but you should be present at your home. Then you can switch on your laptop, then send the invoice. But once if it is moved to the cloud, we can easily while traveling also you can send an invoice. Like I can give the one simple real time example. Like our Gmail is there, I can able to access the Gmail through mobile also wherever I'm going to traveling or any, right? The same thing Dynamics 365 also is a cloud hosted mission, and this is a as pays as you go. Like suppose you have everyone knows about that postpaid, right? Suppose if working, not working, suppose if you are going to the postpaid, monthly some subscription you need to pay. But what are the call charges and SMS charges? They can give that something is free. After that onwards, what are the utilization you need to pay to that your network provider? The same thing here also. The minimum subscription we need to pay. After that we need to provide to we need to pay that, suppose 1 minute or 2 minutes based on our consumption. Sorry, guys. Yeah, now it's okay. Somnath, can you switch off your video so that you can see, if you don't mind? Okay. See, this is the prerequisites and who can learn this course, because Dynamics 365 came from some ERP background. So this is as I told in the earlier, it is completely related to the coding. So you should have that any OOPS concept, Java OOPS concepts, .NET or PHP or any other programming also. Okay, it is required. Suppose if you don't know the oops concepts, no worries. Okay, in the course syllabus, okay, I will teach the oops concept. But before that one, if you have any coding experience, if you know this one, then it is it's a one step forward. You are then it's good. Okay, I will show that syllabus also. What are the syllabus I am going to cover? And suppose for coming to that installation part, you need to configure this ERP into that your machine. You need to require that what is the processor, what is the RAM, and what is the hard disk is it. This is the capacity processor Intel Core 3, Core i3 or later version. Okay, 8 GB or 16 GB RAM. If you're financially good, then better I recommended go with the 16 GB. Then SSD hard disk 250 or 500 SSD. Don't go for the HDD hard disk. Okay, I think nowadays past 1 year onwards everyone is using the SSD hard disk. So these are the hardware configuration is required. And someone is asked before the demo, they are asking for that how we are going to the installation. Okay, installation network person, one person is there, will share the number to you, then you can contact him. He will install into the this product into that your machine. He will take the some separate charge. This fees is not included into the our course. Okay. Yeah, this is about the H++ coding, fundamentals of H++ coding languages and coding examples. Okay, H++ coding is a completely OOPS related one. I will show to you how the code is look like. Okay, if I am opening the Visual Studio, this is our developer environment, IDE, integrated development environment. Here you can go to that application explorer. See guys, this is the coding part. Okay, you can we can see that methods. No worries. This is that existing code. Okay, 1 minute because very first. See, if you have that any SQL knowledge, you can easily understand this coding. This is H++ coding. Okay, if you know the SQL, you can easily connect with that this H++ coding as well as and it is linked with that OOPS concepts also. Okay, guys, please let me know if you have any queries till now. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we'll talk about the career opportunity later. First, this is about the demo. Tell me guys, what do you understand in this demo? I think something answer I'm expecting. Till now I'm not talking about the D365 product, correct? Anyone is noticed that one? After completion of demo, you are going to your friend room or you are suppose your parents also have attended the Dynamics 365. Is anyone is a cross check what is Dynamics 365? Then what is your answer? Correct? Does it make sense? Now come to the point. Okay? And yes, yeah, it's ERP related. Yeah, that is a simple, but we'll go into that, dig deeper. Let's say example, suppose we are going to one movie. After completion of movie, we are going to explain the story, what is happened to that our colleagues as our friends, right? So the same thing you can think about here also. If your course is going to join or not, but my intention is that if anyone is asking what is Dynamics 365, then you are able to answer. Let's say example, guys, I am going to purchasing this product. Okay, one client is there, Dynamics 365 F&O is I am going to purchasing from the Microsoft. So after purchasing, how it would be benefit to the my business, because currently my business yearly 1 crore turnover, just example. But after purchasing this product, is it I'm expecting it should be above 1 crore. Otherwise, I don't want to buy this, right? This is the thing is happening in the any business. Suppose any investment we are putting into that business, so based on that material, what are that new steps, what we are expecting in future growth should be high compared to current. Am I correct? Yeah, so and Dynamics 365 F&O, but it is a ERP product. Let's say example, guys, I have a one manufacturing factory is there. Okay, the client having the factory. What are the minimum things to run this factory? We need to purchase the raw material. Correct? Raw material. Where we need to purchase this one? Vendors, right? Vendors. And after raw material, sorry. Gurucharan, you are saying something, you are talking with me or some vendors. So after raw material it converted to the product, we need to sell this product. Okay, by whom we are going to sell? Customers. And raw material and our products we need to store into somewhere else, right? That is warehouse. Yeah, and inventory also is required. Okay, somewhere else I can store my inventory, my materials and those things. And I need to recruit that employees, right? For HR is required. I need to pay the salaries. So general ledger of finance is required, right? These are the minimum things. You can think about the not the factory business. You can think about the one small business, bookshop also. You can think about that. These are the things are there. Vendors, that book provider, publication, they can get the books and customers they can sold it. Inventory also is required. Warehouse also is required. HR, maybe HR is not required, but employees are there. They need to pay to the salaries to their employees. Finance thing as minimum these things is required, right? So after purchasing this Dynamics 360 F&O product, I no need to implement all these things because it is already packed and it came to that product. Microsoft is already built this functionality. Okay, I will show it in the front end also so that you can get that good idea. See, if I go to that Dynamics 365, I said right, this is a cloud hosted one. This is a cloud hosted environment. Here, these are the modules. I talked about very few modules only because I came from the technical background. Accounts payable, account receivable, payable. You can see that customers and receivable vendors and those things. Asset management, budgeting, common consolidations. Okay, this is my customization, Amar customization. That is my new module. I did. Okay, expense management, demo data. Okay, like this, these many modules are there. So first day onwards, the client is ready to use this product, but not 100%. Based on that requirement, okay, you can able to use the 60% or 40%. So what about the remaining gap? Suppose after purchasing this one, I can able to use this product with my business only 60 percentage I can it. What about the remaining 40 percentage. So these 40 percentage, how we are going to handle, we can customize this product. Guys, please remember, here we are going to customize the product. We have the two things is there. We can do the implementation and customization. What is the difference, implementation, customization? Can anyone tell? Okay, no problem. Yeah, customization means what is the existing one, we are going to adding the extra features. Like our mobile is there, guys. Okay, suppose if is songs is there, but music player is there. I have 10 songs is there. I'm going to add the some extra songs. Okay, or else I can give the one better example. Suppose we are going to the shopping, we have two options are there: ready-made clothes, and we can go with the materials and go to that this guy tailor, and we can provide our measurements. So that is called implementation. Customization means existing one, the ready-made, then I can choose that ready-made clothes. I can go to that again the tailor, and I can based on that alteration only. Okay, here that customization is the very faster compared to implementation. So that is the reason the ERP already we don't want to go with the from scratch. As I see showed you X plus plus coding, this is all are the standard code. Okay, in the standard code, what we are going to do? Suppose this functionality is not suitable for our client business, so we are going to customize this code based on their requirement. But we should know where we need to apply the fits. Then before that one, the important thing is that what this code is doing, we should read the code and where we need to provide the fits. Two things is most important, and after giving fits, it should work with the standard and our customization also. This is the third principle. Only if you know these three principles, you are rocking to that ERP or Dynamics 365. Am I clear up to here? Yeah, thank you. And coming to the point, but who will suppose I'm running into business and I recruit the people and I purchase the F&O. But in real time, how the work will start first? So work will start first from functional consultant. Okay, we have a two types of consultants. Is the one is the functional, and second one is the technical consultant. We'll see what the functional consultant will do. Once any company got the project, some people are saying that we have so many projects in the pipeline. Have you heard about it? In the pipeline, what it is meaning, these functional people will go to that client place and understand that what they are doing in the business, how they are operating their business. Let's say example, we can talk about the same factory business. Okay, they're paying the salaries through checks or else by cash, and raw materials, once they got that raw materials, they have maintained everything in the records, not in the system. So these function consultant observe their business, clean with that the premises of the customer. Okay, and these functional consultants should know about our Dynamics 365 product, then only they can able to relate. Once that they can understand how the client is going to operate and come back to that office, then or else his room, he is going to preparing some documents, that is called FDD documents, functional design documents. These FDD documents are the requirements to the technical consultants. Okay, what it is mentioned the FDD documents. Okay, client is maintaining currently is the records, everything is recorded. So now he don't want to maintain the records, then we can go with that systemized through our ERP. He can prepare one document cleanly mentioned with the screenshots and everything, and showcase to the client. Once the client is approved, okay, client side business functionals, business domain knowledge persons are there. Once they approved, then this is signed off from the customer, means customer is giving green signal. So now we can go and develop this one. Then it comes to the technical people. Now our job, technical people, what they will do, they are going to the doing the customization. Suppose if it is there, this functionality available into the standard, then we can go with the customization. Okay, suppose if it is not there, then we can go with the implementation. We can inform to them, okay, this is all the functionality is not there, so we can treat it this is as a implementation. How we are going to do this one? Through H++ coding. This is what exactly in the real time is doing. Am I clear? What is our job once you got the job into the Dynamics 365? Suppose already you are working in the same. Is this job? This is the job. The coming before starting the demo, someone is saying that they have the some experience in that H++ means previous version. Correct me if I am wrong. Is this job you are doing or something else? Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Thank you. And once your customization is completed and you are delivered the code, how you are going to deliver? Okay, in D365 is there, different strategy is there. But the previous version, model movement or something is the layer also. But now the deployment strategy is changed. We can packages. Before this one, we should know about the environments. How many environments are there? What is the development environment? What is the QA environment? What is the SIT, pre-production, UAT environment, production environment? What is the difference between these two? Tier 1 environment, Tier 2 environment. Okay, what is the sandbox and what is the developer mission, RDP? These all things we should know. These and how to take the backup from the production, and how to take the backup that production, export and import into the tower missions, because of these are the real time tasks we are doing. Suppose you got the one error in the production or UAT, but we can ask to that our function consultant, please replicate that issue into the our system, then only the technical person will debug. Otherwise we can front we can tell about without replication we can't do. Okay, then how to get the UI database and how to move it there, and how to spin up the new VMs and applying the service updates, those things we can discuss. Okay, later after completion of the our course we can discuss. That is called a environment manager and managerial things. Okay, because earlier I am not included these things into the my course curriculum. From this batch onwards I am going to include all the LCS activities, life cycle services. Okay, these activities currently we can cover with the theoretical, but that time I got the environment, then I can show it to the practical part. And coming back to that, what are the syllabus I am going to covering? Okay, this is the my syllabus, guys. It's a total 45 hours of session. I will share this syllabus with you. Okay, this is the 45 hour session, but don't think about this is the 45 hours means it will start in the, it will complete in the 45 hours. Okay, sometimes it will comes in that below 40 hours or above 45 hours also, based on the sessions time we are going to playing. Sometimes is a Saturday we can take the 2 hour session. Sometimes what happen if anyone is the stuck in the lab session, okay, we can help on the lab, we can more discuss. Okay. I will share the syllabus, no problem. Actually, the syllabus is mentioning what are the objects is available in the AOT. Okay, AOT means application object tree. These are the things we are going to cover. And one more thing, guys. Guys, if you have time, could you please fill this form so that I can understand who are attended this demo, just like taking the attendance. But don't expect I'm going to call and to follow up you are joining or not. Okay, I never do. Okay, if you're interested, then only you can fill. Otherwise, you can leave it. Yeah. After completion of course, every mid of the some 15 class or 20 class, I'm going to share these technical assessments. Okay, feedback about my training. These assessments having that questions are there. You can go with these questions and you can fill it, then I can get the report. Based on that, I can estimate how we are, which level you are into that, up to the mark or not. We can discuss on those things. Okay. Yeah, this is about the demo, guys. Guys, one more thing. Actually, I'm using the Teams is the free version. It is going to end in that next 9 minutes. Okay, if it is discontinued, and we'll connect the same link. Yeah. Now I'm giving the question and answers. Then you can ask me any question now.